Sunday marked World Environment Day, an annual occasion to foster environmental awareness and prompt action since 1973. Thousands of years before the day was celebrated worldwide, ancient Chinese people had made great efforts to protect the environment and live harmoniously with nature. The doctrine of seasons, an inscription showing how ancient Chinese people lived and worked according to changes of climate and phenology, is being displayed at Gansu Jiandu Museum in northwest China. The inscription was discovered at an ancient courier station from the Han Dynasty, ruins of which are located in Dunhuang City of Gansu Province.
墙壁题记呢是书写在这个悬签制的墙壁上的一个朝廷的诏令，这个诏令呢叫40月令诏条。元始5年，也就是公元5年，当时朝廷颁发到敦煌郡地方的一份诏书。约令这个东西从本质上来说，它其实就是一套国家的治理制度，它的一种就是政治思想理念的一些。40就是一年四季，春夏秋冬。月令就是要求人们在每一个月哪些事情可以做，哪些事情不能做。举一个简单的例子来说，在春季正是万物复苏、生机盎然时节，该要顺应时节，不要掏鸟窝、抓鸟蛋。小鸟正在孵化，所以就不应该去破坏这个自然界的这规律。这些野兽它怀有崽，不应该去捕杀它。死去的动物的骨骼发现了，就不要让它抛尸荒野，就是说我们一定要把它深埋。